Hey guys, it's Jen and this is Battle of the Boxes for the month of September and October. This is September's Beauteque box. It's the Korean beauty box and this will be pitted against BoxyCharm's October box, which they just seem to come around the same time every month. This one's always late, so I usually get it like the month after. But anyway, who gives a crap? Let's do this. All the info for both boxes will be listed below. All right, and the theme for this month is back to self-care. I love that. Everything always comes nicely packaged and everything. I'm not gonna show you because it's a fucking box with tissue paper. All right, the first thing we have here is a modeling mask. All right, so this retails for $8. This Glam Gold modeling mask contains real gold powder that leaves your skin looking young and refreshed. I will probably use this today after I film, so I will let you know on the screen how I liked it. Stir 2 pouches included together until it's no longer lumpy. Apply mask to your face with a spatula. Leave 25 to 35 minutes. The gold and collagen found within the mask provide nutrients to the skin that leaves it hydrated and healthier. Sounds fantastic. All right, the next thing is Gigantor, and this is the Esfolio Body Peeling Mist. This retails for $17. Gently exfoliate rough, dry patches with this refreshing mist. Okay, so these things are kind of cool. So you spray them on. They have face ones or body ones, and I'll actually show you. So, like, there's a locking mechanism on it and everything. All right, so basically, you spray some on your hand or wherever, and then you're going to rub, and it's going to pill up. And it's lightly exfoliating the skin from wherever. I will definitely use this as well. All right, the next thing we have here is by the Sem, and this is the Iceland Hydrating Eye Stick. So it's just an eye stick you gotta cool under your eyes with. That's very nice. I didn't like the Physicians Formula cucumber or green tea one they came out with. I didn't see what the big deal was about it. I will definitely let you know if I like this one instead. Ugh, and let's just come the fuck on. There's 2 more things in here. We have 2 masks. We have a hair mask, and this is a vinegar hair mask. Raspberry vinegar. And this is by Apu. This retails for $5. Towel dry your hair after shampooing. Place the mask on your hair for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse using lukewarm water. I like the whole vinegar aspect of it. I like anything like apple cider vinegar or regular vinegar, like beauty-wise. I think it has great benefits. My hand feels really good after that peeling thing. Anyway, I will definitely give this a try. The next is by Balm 2-Step Ultra Night Leaf Mask. This retails for $5 as well. Where does this go? Place the night leaf patches on each cheek for 5 to 10 minutes. Rub the extra serum from the packet into the skin. Apply the gel night cream. This 2-step night mask leaves your skin glowing for the next morning. A perfect way to start your day. Oh. Okay, so there's patches in here that you leave on overnight. Cover with this cream in here. It's like an overnight mask. Cool, I will definitely try this. I haven't actually heard of a mask like this before. And the last thing we have is a bamboo charcoal fiber exfoliating mitt, which is awesome. I will definitely use that. Ooh, this is nice because it's kind of like that scratchy-ish material, but not harsh. And if you don't like it, you could make it a puppet. And this retails for $6. That was a good box. I'm gonna try everything in here. I'm pretty excited. Okay, so here's BoxyCharm. Let's see if they can beat this.